So this week I have been working on some shelving units. I have this window, living room, and it's a bit bare, and it has two empty spots on each side. So I really wanted to create some shelving. But the problem is, first of all, I am renting, so I don't want to screw anything. I don't want to make any holes in the walls. And second of all, my walls have all this picture railing, which is like, it's a bit awkward because it cuts the wall in a weird spots. It's comfortable in a way that you can hide the nails and you can hang stuff like this one. I put nails just behind, so you actually don't see them. But I never had it. Like, it's the first time in our house that I rent that there are these picture railings, so I had to deal with it. And so I was looking online for some inspiration, and I found this shelving unit. They are made in America, so of course I wasn't going to buy them. First of all, because I love to DIY, and second of all, shipping price will be really expensive. They are good because it's a good idea, because you can just hook the shelving unit and you can actually move it without making any holes, and it's just really renter friendly. Instead of using metal hooks, metal rods, I am going to use some bike hooks that I bought from Bunnings, and then I am going to screw them inside some dowels, and I'm gonna make some holes inside the shelves, so this shelving unit is gonna come together really easily. I'm gonna show you what the space look like. We have this window, and I'm intending to cover these ugly curtains with some pretty ones. If you wonder what this is, when I rented the house, in the pictures, there was a kind of heater there. Probably it's not working anymore, so they covered it like this instead of taking it off. When you come inside the room, the shelvings will guide your eyes up, because everything is grounded, because of course, I can't really screw much on the walls. So this is the list of the materials I've been using. At the end I didn't use the wood glue, but you can always use it if you need it. I measured the space in between the wall and the window, and for me it was 600 mil, so I measured 600 on the timber, and then I cut it. I then marked the depth I wanted to go with the drill bit in the dowel, to make sure that I wasn't going too deep, in a way that the hook was well screwed in. And making sure that I was drilling in the middle and straight, I just went for it. To measure the distance between the wall and the dowel, I used a level, and then I decided to go for a 38 from the wall, and then 50 going inwards, and then I cut the hole for the dowel. I hollowed only one shelf at the beginning to see if it was everything okay, and then I marked all the other shelves and then I cut the holes. And I went to pick up the paint, the wall paint, and this Deluxe Oak Bristol half. I know there is this one because when we came in this house, in the garage there was a small pot. There was the ticket on, and was that the color? I think so. I hope so. What I patched is not dry yet, of course, so we're gonna let it wet, but if at least I know that the color is the right one. Alright, while the paint and the putty on the wall is drying, we can sand, and then we're gonna paint them, spray paint the dowels, and let them dry. Let's go. Color I picked up is wrong, it's too dark. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring a chip of paint that I took off before from the wall, and hopefully they will help me to identify which color it is. Let's go spray paint the dowels. I bought this satin black. Let's go. Come with me, come with me, come with me. Maple. I think it's the same color as the table, which is fine because I want to keep on using the same colors. So we're just gonna bring the same warmth on the walls. What I meant is I cleaned up the walls, I patched some holes because the paint was a bit flicking off. I have the pieces ready to assemble, but yeah, for this week video it's not gonna be ready, so you need to wait next week to see the result. And we're gonna hang the shelves, we're gonna style them, and then we're gonna also add the curtains, which I'm really excited about. We have the hooks, I have 4 of them, they are painted and ready to go, and like this. And then I have 6 shelves staining. They just need a coat of wax. Also the dowels I'm gonna put wax, so they're easy to assemble. And yeah, I love wood smell. And I think it's gonna look good. Yeah. Let me know if this is a good idea for you. Let me know also if you have picture railings in your house. Definitely is a old house here, this one, so yeah, like it has a lot of I mean it has good bones, but the owner made some renovations and they are a bit dodgy. So alright guys, see you next time.